Hi everyone, welcome back to the new video. In this video we are going to take a look on BTC price. If you are a beginner and still if you want to trade BTC, then this episode is helpful for you. Also we will be taking a look on exchange where you can trade safe, where you can catch a good liquidity so you will not have any type of interruption in between buy and sell. Before yesterday I have shared two updates. First is BTC USDT weekend update and afterwards BTC dominance update. How exactly BTC dominance is staying in between trend line and how we can expect the movement. Here you can check dominance percentage is exactly staying at trend line resistance. It might considered as breakout. Need to wait patiently in this type of indecision moment. Dominance increase is equal to Bitcoin price bullish. And this was all about BTC USD weekend update. Need to hold current region to take off again towards 70k. Wait for some consolidation at support of 60k level. Now we will be zooming in with weekly chart. Weekly it successfully opened yesterday. Here you can check. Once the weekend is closed, directly price is looking for the downward direction. No worries, we can catch the new support where you can expect some movement. If you go in lower time frame, these weeks are also showing a support strength. Need to wait patiently guys in between. If price is staying in between these levels, then we can expect a good volatility. Price will look only two ways: breakdown of 59k and free fall, and second option is breakout of 73k, 74k and free movement of upward direction. With weekly still we can have this support. Last support was very good tested. These weeks are indicating buyers are still interested on this support. Wait for proper retest of this support. Still we can expect movement like this. Who knows, right? Wait patiently. We might get one more attempt here and we can expect one more bullish momentum. And one more side is also possible. If BTC continues with same movement, price is already created a downtrend movement, but subject is there, we have support level. That's why we can expect one more movement to the upper direction, or price action is following same direction of this downtrend and sell pressure continues at the point of support level. If support is not effective, then we can see a downward movement below this support. If support is breaking down, the next stop will be like this. We can expect a 48k because we can have one more support like this. This is a huge support. That's normal. Before BTC halving, I have shared lot of BTC updates. You have to do whatever before the BTC halving, because once BTC halving is near, then price is shows some selling activity because lot of buyers are already entered in the market. They will definitely try to book their profits in some amount of percentage. BitMart platform is here guys. Discover next Dogecoin, next cryptocurrency. Buy, trade and hold 1500 plus cryptos instantly. Here you can trade your favorite cryptocurrencies, top trending cryptocurrencies, top 10 cryptocurrencies. All types of cryptocurrencies are available. You have to sign up with my link is provided in the video's description. After registration and sign in process, you will get redirected to this gift. You can actually get this bonus of $3,000. Click on this tab, how you can get welcome rewards. Let me show you some tasks. Buy crypto with fiat 100 USDT, futures trading 100 USDT, fixed saving 100 USDT. You have to complete this task. Once you complete the sign-in process, you will see the timeline where and when you have to complete this process. Future rewards is there. Daily futures trading with limit of this trade volume. Spot rewards are available, growth rewards are available. You can get up to 3000 USDT bonus with just simple completion. To trade your cryptocurrency, just go on the trade. You will see the options, spot and margin. If you are experienced trader, you can go with the futures trading. You have multiple options to trade and grow your capital with BitMart. On Telegram, you will get lot of informative updates, trade setups and everything free of cost, guys. I don't charge anything for this channel. You can join this channel with free of cost and get the updates from the Telegram channel. Cryptocurrency trade setups, news, exchanges, updates, everything you will get in one spot. BitMart is celebrating Bitcoin Halving Countdown, and you guys can participate in social giveaways, quiz, trade to share rewards in this campaign. You can sign up on BitMart using this link. You can manually use the code VSMTXB. Offers are valid till 19 April. You can check the details of the offers. Just click on the link BTC Halving Countdown and you will get all information. BTC price, we have to wait patiently. Once the test will be done at the point of this 58k, we can get a good amount of volatility and we might see some bullish movement, because I do expect the support is good. That's why it might happen, but we have to keep two options in front of us. If price is breaking down, then what's our plan? If price is breaking upside, then what's our plan? So be with your two plans, then only you can get the good amount of profits. I hope today's video helpful for you. You have learned something. That's it for today. Let's see in the next video.